Greetings, future crochet addicts. I am Creative Panda Creature. I am a full-time crochet designer, and welcome to my series How to Crochet for Beginners, where I'm gonna teach you basic stitches and techniques of this amazing craft. In this video, we're gonna learn how to make a treble crochet increase, and treble crochet 2 together. This is how the row of treble crochets look like. This is the sign in diagrams, and this is the abbreviation in a written pattern. We're gonna start by making a chain, and we're gonna place our hook in 5th chain from the hook. Do yarn over twice. Place your hook in 5th chain from the hook. Yarn over. Pull the working yarn through the loops. Now we are having 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull the hook through 2 loops. Now we are having 3 loops. Yarn over, pull the hook through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull the hook through 2 remaining loops. And that's our treble crochet. Start another one. So yarn over twice. Place the yarn in next chain of the previous row. Yarn over, pull it through those 2 loops. We are having 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull the working yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull the yarn through 2 loops. And yarn over and pull it through those 2 remaining loops. And continue the same way. And this is treble crochet increase. This is the sign in diagrams, and this is the abbreviation in a written pattern. I'm gonna continue with my row of treble crochets. I'm gonna turn it around and make chain of 4 instead of first treble crochet. Now we're gonna make a treble crochet in the next treble crochet of the previous row. So yarn over twice, place the hook in next treble crochet of the previous row, and finish the treble crochet as you would usually do. Now we're gonna place another treble crochet in the same treble crochet of the previous row. So we're gonna have 2 of them in 1 stitch, and that will be our increase. So let's finish our second treble crochet. And this is our increase. It has a V shape. If we make full row of increases, we will have 2 times more treble crochets in our row than in the previous row. And this is treble crochet 2 together, treble crochet decrease. This is the sign in diagrams, and this is the abbreviation in a written pattern. I'm gonna frog the previous row of treble crochet increases, and I'm just gonna keep the first 4 chains. I'm gonna place my hook in the last chain. Now we're gonna start a treble crochet and place it in the next treble crochet of the previous row. So do yarn over twice, place the hook in the next treble crochet of the previous row, yarn over, pull it through those 2 loops. Now do yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and keep those 2 loops on the hook and start another treble crochet. So yarn over twice, place the hook in next treble crochet of the previous row, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and now we have 3 loops. We do yarn over and pull it through all those 3 loops. And that's our treble crochet 2 together. So if we make full row of treble crochet decreases, we will have half time less stitches in our next row than in the previous row, because we are connecting 2 treble crochets into one